The customer came in stating that the check engine light was on. To begin, I connected a scan tool to the vehicle and retrieved two codes, P0497, Evaporative Emission System Low Purge Flow, and P145C, EVAP System Purge Flow Malfunction. These codes indicated a potential issue with the EVAP system, which controls fuel vapors to prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. I started by inspecting the evaporative emission (EV) system for visible faults, such as damaged hoses or loose connections, but everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, I used the scan tool to monitor live data from the EVAP system. The parameters for the EVAP purge solenoid valve were not within specifications, which suggested the valve might be the source of the problem. To confirm, I disconnected the vacuum line from the EVAP purge solenoid valve and connected a vacuum gauge to the valve. I applied vacuum to the valve to check its ability to hold pressure. The valve failed this test, as it could not maintain the specified vacuum, confirming that the EVAP purge solenoid valve was faulty. The EVAP purge solenoid valve is critical for regulating the flow of fuel vapors from the charcoal canister to the engine for combustion. If this valve is stuck or fails to function properly, it can trigger a check engine light and cause EVAP system-related codes. Proper testing, including monitoring live data and performing a vacuum test, ensures the exact fault is identified without replacing unnecessary parts. To resolve the issue, I replaced the faulty EVAP purge solenoid valve with a new one. After completing the repair, I cleared the fault codes from the system and performed a road test to verify the fix. The vehicle operated properly, the check engine light remained off, and no new codes appeared. This systematic approach ensured the problem was accurately diagnosed and effectively resolved, restoring the EVAP system's functionality.